I found out about the childcare offer through a friend. We were at the child's party, and she said, "Oh, do you know about this offer that's happening with the Welsh Government, and it's going to extend to Carmarthenshire in January?" So I was a bit taken aback, and I was thinking, "Oh, fantastic! This sounds good. This is definitely something that I would be eligible for, and something I would be, really keen to take up if possible." So then I looked into it on the website. So I sent my son to the creche here at Golslas twice a week, and it's been so beneficial. This childcare offer has just freed up so much money in terms of, it's like having a mini pay rise in a way, and it just gives you that flexibility to be able to invest that money then elsewhere, and obviously holidays and things like that. It's been valuable for us as a family.